What's good, y'all? It's your boy Mark back another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know. Also, I upload some videos on how you can make some daily cash. So we'll get straight to the point. First, let's go ahead and see the setup that we took today. All right, so this is NASDAQ. The reason I decided to go with NAS 100 today is because it's Friday. All right, I didn't want to risk too much. Trading US 30 is a risk every setup. All right, NAS 100. It's still risky. All right, NAS 100 still risky, but I feel like I have more wiggle room with NASDAQ. All right, so just because it was the end of the week and we had a lot of news, I just decided to go with NAS. And I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't too sure about this setup because I was expecting price to at least come down to like down here. All right, to like down here before actually taking a buy, but it tapped into this little demand area. And what I want you guys to understand is like this whole area is a demand area. It's just I don't draw my box like this. So I like to have it at like the bottom of the last candle. And then usually I would have this marked up as well, but I was watching this area. As you see, this 930 candle literally came down and tapped into this zone. And then it took off. All right, broke multiple structures. So now we did have positive news. So that's another reason why I was looking for buys. Because at first this thing was dropping, all right? But I do feel like it only dropped just to fill certain areas and to grab liquidity and then take off in the right direction. Definitely was a bullish day. All right, so that was cool. I didn't even mark up US 30. Didn't even mark up US 30, but US 30 also took off. All right. So yeah, guys, that was that. Now let's get into the meats and potatoes of this video. I was actually emailed, all right. I was actually emailed this morning by True Forex Funds, all right. But they also had us in their Discord. So we're gonna go through this. Dear traders and everyone, due to a nonsense reason, MetaQuotes has terminated our license and therefore has frozen our services temporarily. Our team is working hard and plan on continuing to provide our services. The incomprehensible reason for termination is using a third-party provider for equity synchronization purposes who has allegedly not been connected to MetaTrader's client's terminal in a way that's fully acceptable by MetaQuotes. True Forest Funds has used this mentioned third party since 2021 without any complaints from MetaQuotes. Well, let's start here. They gotta understand, man, like times are changing. You know what I'm saying? Like they're not playing with this regulation stuff. They're using a third party. I remember trading with them before, and if y'all go watch some of my videos when I talked about True Forex Funds, I mentioned that their platform used to freeze. Like literally, you could be in a trade and it used to just freeze. You could blow your account. They're not gonna do anything about it. If it goes your way, then you got lucky. So yeah, it was a lot of issues with trading with them. I've been stopped trading with True Forest Funds. I'm just bringing this to you guys' attention for anybody that does trade with them. I just feel like anybody that's using their own, broker. So True Forest Funds, when you sign up with them, their broker is going to say True Forest Funds. When you was with My Forest Funds, their broker said My Forest Funds. All right. If they're not using like Think Markets, 8 Cap, or a real regulated broker, then it's gonna be hard. Let's keep going. All right. So MetaQuotes did not give us any prior warning, nor did they provide any chance to replace the unwanted provider. Despite it being evident that there's no industry, it is possible to investigate your partner, provider, and any supplier source code to prove their legitimacy. We would like to assure all of you that despite all of the turbulence, we will never back down and you will be able to continue your journey where it had to be stopped. Our team continuously tried to convince MetaQuotes to keep our license in case of lack of success. We would try to migrate your accounts into a broker. Whoa, I don't even know how that's going to work right there. It's too many people. We'd like to apologize for this disaster, a force of major, why do they use that? But major event that was occurred due to the reasons beyond your control. Please note that the remaining payouts will be settled once the platform is unfrozen. All right, let's put a pin right here real quick. This was the same thing that kind of happened to my Forex funds, but a little bit different. Once they do more investigation and stuff like that, it will come out on the real reason why they were shut down. But they have said here clearly that they used a third-party equity provider. All right. So that third-party equity provider probably was manipulating the markets. I'm not saying that they were. I'm saying we're going to see the real reason why this company has went down. All right. They can tell us this all day long to try to save their face, but at the end of the day, we're going to find out the truth, you know? So right here though, they says that the remaining payouts will be settled once the platform's unfrozen. What if it's never unfrozen? All right. What if it's never unfrozen? So here again is a handful of people who are waiting on payouts that may not receive them. All right. Or may take months, years, never know, to receive that payout. So if these people were depending on this for, like I say, to pay some bills, to eat or whatever the case may be, just to survive, like this is messed up. This is the second prop firm that was big that went down. True Forest Funds was another big company. All right. So this is my fund at FX. As you can see, it says the industry has changed yet again. But this time by a popular software provider. So they kind of giving us more information, even though they're not in a sticky situation, but they giving us intel on what's going on. There are rumors. All right. So let's go ahead and highlight this. There are rumors of potential restrictions, all right, to USA clients for all prop firms, which could possibly come down the road. It is true that there are potential for this to happen, but nothing is certain, all right? One, I want to say they are putting too many words in these, they're putting too many words in these sentences and not just getting to the point. You know what I'm trying to say? It's just so crazy. So right here, for now, I can show you that my fund at FX is not affected by the TFF decision, True Forex Funds decision. All right. We are aware that the need of an alternative trading platform will go live in the next 7 days, pending, all right, final testing. So they already getting prepared to get shut down, in my opinion, because they have intel about this new software provider, okay, that can potentially shut down US clients for all prop firms. So they're testing things out on an alternative trading platform, which 9 times out of 10 maybe Trade Locker, maybe C Trader. You know, there's just a lot going on in the Forex industry. If the decision comes down to the pipeline to restrict USA traders from using meta quotes, we will have an alternative option for you to continue trading. I gotta drink some water right quick because this right here, the most important thing we can do is prepare and adapt. That's what we have planned to do. Thank you for your support. So as of now, they are not shut down, but once again, they're giving you intel about the software provider that can shut down USA clients from all platforms, right? Nobody else is affected by this but USA clients. So this goes to show that we are in a shitty economy. All right. They don't want to see us win. They don't want to see people breaking the loophole. They don't want to see people not struggling. They want people to depend on them. So that's why they're making it harder and harder. So I would say, me personally, I stay 10 steps ahead. I've been working on futures. If you watch my last previous videos, I've been talking about futures. It's nothing different, you know, other than the contracts and the way you enter and stuff like that. But guys, I think that Forex may be coming to an end, all right, for me, and not just me, but a lot of people may have no choice but to switch over to futures. Same strategy I use in Forex, I use in futures, but it's things in futures that I have to learn before teaching it. So do your research on futures and just get prepared. That's all you can do. If you're a trader, you can trade anything. All right. And once again, futures is not that different, other than you're not able to trade like currency pairs. It's a big boy league. So if you trade in indices already, futures will be okay. All right, you got to do what's best for you. There's multiple things you could trade. You got futures, you got options, you got stocks, you know, you got bonds. There's a lot of stuff. So if forex do come to an end, what are you going to do? So you need to have this question in the back of your head, because it's not only just funded companies, but a lot of brokers have been kicked off of MetaTrader 4 and 5 that we used to use or that I use. This was the video. A lot of stuff is going down. So keep in mind, once again, FTMO stopped taking USA traders. True Forex Fund just went down. My Forex Fund went down. This is a US based prop firm, so they definitely may get hit with some things. All right. But my funded FX is literally giving you guys the future game plan here. All right. Without telling you, but they telling you. So, like I say, you just got to keep your ears open, eyes open, and just move with the flow. Like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Other than that.